Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Peacock TV subscription. Open the Peacock TV, go to the peacocktv.com on a computer or open the Peacock TV app on your phone or tablet. Sign into your account if you are not already signed in. Look for the profile icon in the top corner of your screen. Click or tap it. Then choose account or setting. Once you are in your account page, look for the section called plans, billing or subscription. This shows what plan you are currently on. Then tap or select cancel plan or change plan. Peacock may ask you why you are leaving. This step is optional. Peacock will ask you to confirm, then select confirm cancellation. You will see a message saying your plan is cancelled, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.